How to install Shelly 2.5? Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly 2.5. What you may find in the box, when you are opening it for the first time? When you open the covering sides, the first thing, which can be seen is the invitation to our Facebook community group. You can find it with scanning the QR code. It is a place where the Shelly customers are helping each other, with possible solutions and interesting ideas for home automation. Shelly 2.5 is a 2-channel Wi-Fi relay with power measurement with an option for controlling roller shutters, and here, you can see the top side of the device. In the box, there is a user guide, which will help you to wire the device according to the realization which you need. In this part of the video, it will be shown how to wire a Shelly 2.5. The most important is that the fuse breaker is turned off and there is no electricity over the cables while you are installing. The first step is to connect the neutral cable to the N input of Shelly 2.5. Tighten the screw, so the cable cannot be pulled out. Connect the line cable to one of the two L inputs. The second is there if you want to use bigger loads. It is the same to which L input exactly you will connect the line cable, because both are internally connected. The load, in this case, the bulb, should be connected to one of the O inputs. O is there for output. Both outputs, O1 and O2, are controlled by the switches connected to SW1 and SW2. One more reminder, tighten the screws well, so we can have external control over the outputs. We should connect one or two switches. In this video, the realization is only with one switch and one load. If you want to wire the second channel as well, then you need to follow the same procedure as for the first channel. Now you are free to turn on the fuse, and to check if the switch is controlling the bulb over the Shelly. The next step is to add the device to your local network and to start using it with the Shelly Cloud app. The device is creating an access point, to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone and open the local interface of this Shelly 2.5 by accessing the following address, 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security and click on Wi-Fi Client Mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. You can add them by DHCP or with static IP out of the DHCP range. When you type them, press Save and you will receive a confirmation. Now the device will try to connect to the network, which you filled in the Internet and Security settings. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone and connect to your home network. Open the Shelly Cloud application and in 30 seconds you will see the room discovered devices. Open it and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name, select a room and a picture or icon, then press Save Device. You will be prompted if you want to connect your device to the Shelly Cloud service. It takes some time, so please wait. The device is successfully added to your account and to the cloud. You can freely start using it, and automate your socket, light, or roller. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Shelly devices.